Here we are at the laser engraver station. We have the laser engraving machine here, and we have the computer that controls it over here on this side. To turn the machine on, we use this red light switch on the corner there. And to turn on the machine, the switch is on the right side of the machine, close to the back of the machine. So it is right straight down from this corner right here. There's a power cord that comes up to it, and the on-off toggle switch is right there next to it. When we have our project, our piece of plywood, we're ready to cut it out. We want to place this in the machine with the nice side out. On all of our sheets of plywood, there's a nice side, and then there's a not so nice side. This not so nice side usually has knots, filled in holes, or wavy grain. Pick which side you want to engrave on, and then when we place this into the engraver, we want it going landscape, not portrait, the tall way. We want it landscape or horizontally. We want the length going horizontally. So we open the lid here. We're going to place this into the machine, into the bottom left-hand corner, or as close to us and left corner as possible. So we're going to place it towards the bottom, towards you on the machine, on the table there. There's a little stop. And to the left edge, you'll see the ruler in there where there's the stops. Place it into that corner, close the lid, and then we'll get the project up and ready on the computer side. Here we are at the computer, ready to do our laser engraving. To log on to this computer, just click on this pretty little flower. It'll open it up. Now we need to insert our flash drive. We haven't yet, and I don't know if you can see this, but the little tiny flash drive ports right there. That's where you want to plug it in. And then we are going to search. We're going to click this folder icon right here. This computer is so old I can't do a screencast. I have to do just a video of the screen. So here is where we click on the folder icon. It'll bring open where all of your files are located. We want to search in the Tech 7 flash drive, the E drive. So we're going to click on that to open it. We're going to double click on 8th grade, and then you're going to open your file. So mine is Schmitz. Double click it to open it. If this icon comes up, says, do you want to register? No, register later, or you can hit the X in the corner. Here is my Spidey Man. We're going to go File. We already did all the locating, and we have it exactly where we want it, so there's no need at this time to move anything. If for some reason your file doesn't open, that means you saved it as the wrong version type. You must have saved it as version 19 or something. So make sure you save it as the correct version, version 14. File, Print. We are going to go into Properties. We are engraving on black. We're not going to do anything with red or any of the other colors. We're just worried about black. What we want this to be set up as, we want it to be power of 60, speed 50, PPI, or pixels per inch, of 500. So this is how much power we're going to use, how fast it's going to move, and to what accuracy. We want to change our power to 60. We want to change our speed. That one's correct. It's already at 50. And we want to change our pixels per inch to 500, which it's already at. If you do change any of them, press Set. Do not forget to press Set. To double check, we look up here. Black is 60, 50, 500. Go ahead and hit OK to save it. Whenever you're ready, you have the machine on, and it's ready to go. It says ready on the green screen. Then you can hit Print. Let me rearrange the camera here, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here we are at the machine, ready to laser engraver. We want to turn on, see if I get my finger back up there. We want to turn on the dust collector, that red light switch right there. We're going to turn the machine on, which is a power switch right down there. And then when it says ready on the screen right here, we can press Start, which is the green button. It's hard to see right there. So let me turn the machine on and the dust collector. All right, now the green screen does say ready, so I will go back to the computer, click print on my file, and it should say here on the green screen, it should say whatever I named my file. So here I name my file Schmitz. And we can tell I have not run it yet, and I'm doing this correctly because here it says zeros. This is the time, how long it takes to cut. It says zeros across there. So I know I am good to go. Once you do see your name there, and it is the file you want to run, it does say zeros across for the time, go ahead, you have your part in the machine, ready to go. You can press the start button. Make sure you call me over again before you set your part in the machine. Call me over, let me double check it, make sure everything's correct, and then we can print. Again, any questions, come see me first.